Okay. As per the JNTH and as per the specialization chosen by you, we have the finance specialization and the subject that is the financial institutions, comma, markets and services. It's simply we call it the FIMS. So this is the three combinations. This is the structure of Indian financial system, financial institutions, comma, markets, financial intermediates and financial services. We can easily classify the financial system in India into the four parts: financial institutions, comma, financial markets, comma, financial instruments, intermediates, as well as financial services. But as per our syllabus, we are going to discuss with what are the financial institutions, comma, markets, as well as services. First, we go to what is the syllabus. So, why we want to learn this subject? It gives an understanding about the Indian financial system with respect to the markets, institutions, as well as services. So, after completion of the study, what the student is able to understand is introduction about the Indian financial system, banking as well as non-banking institutions, financial and securities markets, fund and fee-based services. That is, the financial services classified into two types: fund-based services and fee-based services. At the time of the 5th unit, we will observe that. Once we go to the syllabus or content of the syllabus, so unit number 1, the structure of Indian financial system, equilibrium in financial markets, indicators of financial development, structure of financial institutions, financial system and economic development, financial sector reforms after 1991, and recent developments regarding to the Indian financial system, as well as what is the function and role of the RBI, what is the monetary policy and techniques of monetary policy, major changes in the monetary policy, role and functions of SEBI, as well as some non-statutory financial organizations information. Unit number 2, purely regarding to the banking and non-banking institutions. So we are going to know about the commercial banks, banking innovations, cooperative banks. Regarding to non-banking financial institutions, UTI, Unit Trust of India, mutual funds, growth of individual mutual funds and its regulations, the role of AMFI, insurance companies, the investment pattern, competition, as well as innovation regarding to the different type of insurance products, role of IRDA, and what are the challenges faced by the insurance sector in India. Unit number 3. So the first 2 units regarding to the financial institutions. Now we are going to move about the financial markets. What is the structure and functions of call money market, government securities markets, T-bills market. That means T means treasury bills market, commercial bills, commercial papers, as well as certificate of deposits. Security markets related to the what is the structure as well as the organization, how the companies listing trade, as well as what is the meaning of the settlement. SEBI, Stock Exchange Board of India, its regulations regarding to the primary and secondary markets, as well as what is the role and functions of Clearing Corporation of India Limited. In the short form we call as a CCIL. Unit number 4 regarding to the financial services, lease finance, hire purchase, consumer credit, factoring, portfolio, housing finance, venture capital finance. 1 minute. And unit number 5 is the fee-based services. Investment banking, what are the functions and activities of merchant bankers, lead managers, underwriting, bankers to an issue, debenture trustees, as well as portfolio managers. Along with these topics, we are going to know about what are the challenges faced by the investment bankers, stockbroking, custodial services, deposit system, credit rating, role of agencies regarding the credit rating, and what is the credit rating process, and what are the rules and regulations regarding the credit rating process. And last concept is CIBIL, Credit Information Bureau of India Limited, CIBIL short form. So these are the contents or syllabus prescribed by the JNTH. Now we are going to look about the first topic, that one, Indian financial system. Before going to know about the structure of Indian financial system, first we have tried to understand what is the meaning of financial system. The word system in the term financial system implies a set of complex and closely connected or interlined institutions, agents, practices, markets, transactions, claims, as well as liabilities in the economy. It means it implies a set of complex and closely connected or interlined institutions, agents, practices, markets, transactions, claims, and liabilities in the economy. The financial system comprises of a variety of intermediaries, markets, and instruments. It provides the principal means by which savings are transformed into investments. The economic development of any country purely depends upon the well-organized financial system. Financial system is a system which supplies the necessary financial inputs for the production of goods and service to improve the standard of life and well-being of the nation. Financial systems are of crucial significance to capital formation. The process of capital formation involves three distinct, although interrelated activities. First one is saving, second one is finance, and last one is the investment. Saving means the ability by which claims to resources are set aside and become available for the other purpose. So for example, any person worked as an employee and he got the 10,000 as a salary, and 2 or 3,000 he put aside as a saving or put aside for the other purpose, the amount we call as a saving. Finance, the activity by which claims to resources are either assembled from those released by domestic savings obtained from the abroad. Investments, the activity by which resources are actually committed to the production. What are the functions of financial system? It is a payment system, it is a pooling of funds, transfer of the resources, it takes the risk, that means risk management, price information for decentralized decision making, dealing with the incentive problem, reformatory function. So these are the 7 functions related to the financial management.